Vikram, and this is a quick video test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S5 and the Nokia Lumia 1520. Both devices record at 1080p. The 1520 has optical image stabilization while the S5 has software image stabilization enabled. So what you see here, you can easily compare the image quality between the two and also the sound quality, which is somewhat different in the 1520. So there you go, that's the audio quality and the video quality comparison test. Let us know what you think in the comment section below, and also check out all the other comparisons.